Hey everyone, tax season is upon us. If you're a business professional who's spent a lot of time on the road, it's time to maximize those deductions with mileage. The IRS offers a mileage deduction that can offset fuel, maintenance, and other vehicle expenses. Now, you can't claim both individual expenses and the standard mileage deduction, so pick one. For most of us, tracking mileage is the simpler and more convenient option. Just keep a detailed log of your business miles throughout the year. Remember, commuting from home to your primary workplace isn't deductible. But if you're heading directly to a client or business-related site, those miles count. Traveling to multiple locations? Keep clear records of each trip's starting point, destination, and purpose. For 2025, the deduction rate is 70 cents per mile. So if you drove 30,000 miles for business, you could claim a whopping $21,000. Alternatively, keep receipts for gas and convert dollars spent to miles driven before calculating your deduction. Maximizing deductions doesn't have to be complicated. Tracking your mileage can simplify the process and save you money. Keep in mind, rates vary for the self-employed, charity work, medical, and military. Always consult a tax professional to stay current with IRS guidelines. By the way, did you know medical professionals qualify for different mortgage rates? And if you have real estate questions, I'm your go-to resource. With eXp Realty in all 50 states, we've got the right pro for you, anywhere on the map. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.